What's up everyone, and welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess, and today I'm reviewing the M4 iMac. Let's check it out. Alright, here's the box that it comes in, and here is everything that comes in the box. You get the iMac, we got the lovely green color, the all-in-one desktop computer, the magic keyboard that delivers Touch ID, the magic mouse, a power adapter, a power cord, and a USB-C charging cable. I wanted to point out that these accessories match the iMac. They have a light green color, the cords have a light green color, and the keyboard has a nice light green color, and on the bottom of the mouse has a light green color, which is very nice. This iMac with the M4 chip is available in 7 vibrant colors: green, yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and silver. I love the all aluminum design look of this iMac. It has a simple yet elegant design. And I also like the back of the iMac very much. It features a nice bold green color with the Apple logo, and the front is a lighter, more pastel green color. That's very pretty. This particular iMac features a 24-inch 4.5K Retina display, 218 pixels per inch, 4480 by 2520 resolution, a 10-core CPU GPU, 256 gigabytes of SSD, an M4 chip, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is the model that comes with 256 gigabytes worth of storage, but you can configure up to 2 terabytes worth of storage. But what we did was we got an external hub, which is up to 2 terabytes. This hub comes with 3 USB-A's, a Type-C, an SD card slot, and a TF card slot. And the storage compartment is underneath. The SSD compartment is underneath. Again, which holds 2 terabytes worth of SSD. And if you would like one of these external hubs, I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down below. This M4 iMac features 4 Thunderbolt ports. Only 4. It doesn't have any USB-A's on the back. It doesn't have any SD card slots on the back. And I didn't want to buy those ugly dongles that hangs on the back of your iMac. So this hub right here was a lifesaver. This iMac also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a power button, a very cool, almost very satisfying magnetic power connector, a huge Apple logo on the back that doesn't light up. Oh man. And finally, it features a 12 megapixel camera with 1080p high definition video recording for FaceTime. I wanted to point out that the iMac features a built-in microphone that is studio quality, and the speakers are on the bottom. This iMac with the M4 chip offers a significant performance. It delivers a faster CPU and GPU performance, which makes editing videos a breeze on programs like Final Cut Pro or CapCut. And also doing other tasks like web browsing is more smoother and more responsive. And lastly, I wanted to talk about the display. The display is very beautiful. It has a 4480 by 2520 resolution. The high resolution makes everything look really clear and crisp. So it delivers extremely sharp and detailed images, making content appear more smooth and lifelike. Here, take a look at some footage on this beautiful 4K Retina display. The colors just really stand out and pop at you, and the blacks look really good. It's not an OLED display, but it looks really nice. It remains bright and vibrant. So in conclusion, if you're in the market for a new computer, for a new desktop computer, and you know for certain that you want something that's more convenient and more modern looking, this all-in-one desktop iMac is an excellent choice. It has more color options now, a vibrant screen, nano texture if you want that option, and of course the M4 chip. It doesn't take up a lot of space, which is great, and I enjoy using the iMac as my daily driver. This iMac with the M4 chip is fast, fun, and functional. Price-wise, if you buy these iMacs as is, the prices can vary from $1,299 and go up to $1,899. You can bump up the prices even more by adding their accessories. A bit pricey, but it's worth the upgrade. Oh yeah. So that has been a look at the iMac. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. If you would like more information on this product, I'll put some Amazon affiliate links down below. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.